I explained it to you before. I got invited to this party. I don't know if I want to go. I don't really trust this kid. He seems pretty sketchy. But I never say no to a party.
Why do I have to go?
Look, it'll be fine, okay?
It's pretty... Justin!
Let's just go and enjoy ourselves, okay?
Hey guys, what's up? I was just about to mow the lawn. Let me go put this away. All right, let's go inside.
Hey man, I drank a lot of liquids before I came here. Do you have a bathroom?
Yeah. Right in here.
All right, thanks. Hey, Taryn, I'll be a minute. Just keep it cool, okay?
So, anybody else here?
Kirk was here earlier.
Ah,
Come on. Let's go. What are you looking at? This is home sweet home. Hey, can you take your shoes off by the door? I don't want to have to vacuum. Here, I'll get you something to sit on. There you go.
Hey, I didn't find any toilet paper in there, so I used your mattress. I hope you don't mind.
The green mattress?
I think it was white.
Hey guys, my Xbox is broken.
Hey, let me take a look at it. I might be able to fix it.
Come with me. Look at that.
Oh, there's the problem. Your electric's out.
That must be why my light hasn't been working.
Yeah, that could be it. Probably it.
What? What?
there's something back there! There's something back there!
Ted! I told you to stay in the basement! Ah! 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 Sorry about that. It's just my brother Ted.
This is not a fun party.
Mary had a little lamb, little lamb, little lamb.
Hey, buddy,
Mary.
what are you doing back there?
What?
What are you doing back there?
I'm fixing dinner!
It's okay.
It's gonna be ready in just a few minutes. It's chilly.
Hunter, we know who you are.